While some people may enjoy eating them in their salad, most people don't want to see dandelions in their yard. This perennial weed is commonly found in lawns, pastures, and landscape beds throughout the year. With a distinct yellow flower, which occurs in April, this weed really sticks out like a sore thumb if it's left uncontrolled. The first step to reducing dandelion infestations is to maintain a healthy, vigorous lawn. In addition to proper fertilization and irrigation, it's important to follow the 1/3 mowing rule. By removing no more than 1/3 of the plant's canopy in any single mowing, enough leaf area remains to capture sufficient sunlight needed for your turf to thrive. In turn, you're left with a thick, vigorous lawn that is less susceptible to stress, disease, and encroachment from weeds. Healthy turf grass competes with the weeds by robbing them of sunlight and nutrients that are essential for survival. For your planter beds, applying a thick layer of mulch will help to deter the establishment of new dandelion seedlings. Due to cost restrictions, most landscape professionals do not make a pre-emergent application for control of dandelions. However, if you're in a region where post-emergent products containing 2,4-D are restricted, making a pre-emergent application may be reasonable. For pre-emergent applications to prevent dandelion seed germination, consider using a product like Qualipro Isoxaben. The most common control for dandelions is an herbicide application of a standard 3-way product containing 2,4-D, MCPP, and dicamba. A few common examples of 3-way herbicides include PBI Gordon's Trimec 992 or New Farms Triplet. Many professionals treat lawns in the spring to prevent flowering, but this may not be the most effective timing for permanent weed control. A second herbicide application made in the fall when the turfgrass food reserves are aimed down towards the root system can help to ensure maximum herbicide uptake into the plant. To learn more about managing weeds as well as other landscape and irrigation topics, sign up for one of our live seminars. You can also find out more by stopping into your local Ewing branch or visiting us online at ewingirrigation.com.